go to filmbudgeteers.com. I'm going to walk you through budgeting a science fiction big budget film, $186 million. $186 million budget. Something like Iron Man, for instance. This is going to be a feature film. Let's call it Iron Man. Prepare it. Put my name in there. Today's date. I'm going to send this to support. Now you want to use your email here. Don't use our email. This is where the finished budget gets sent to. So it's very important that you put your email here. This is a $186 million film. That's 186 followed by 6 zeros. Now, the way the program's set up, you can't use any symbols or punctuation here, so only use numbers. We need a big name director, so we'll need some money to go attract that person. Probably need at least 4 writers, and they need to get paid. And you can customize their names if you know who they are. How many producers? We're going to need some big producers. You can put their names in or leave that to be decided. And this is where you sort of skew it towards the type of movie your script is, or your project is. How many of your 10 customization points would you like to allocate? You can customize your budget with regards to the type of film it is in the departments of casting, stunts, special effects, makeup effects, animals, and visual effects. You have 10 points to allocate. And the way we're going to do this one for this very big budget, expensive science fiction movie, we're going to put 2 points in for cast. We need some big names there. We're going to have a lot of stunts. We're going to have some special effects, some makeup effects, no animals, and lots of digital visual effects. Principal cast. We're going to have a lot of name actors in this guy. And we're going to have a very big supporting cast. And you can customize all these names now or later if you're going to get the editable version. So you can go in and change that. We're going to max this out. Let's shoot for 8 weeks here. We've got a lot of wrapping to do and a lot of post. Oops, I got this one wrong. And now we're ready to check out Film Budgeteers budget, and we want the Excel file that can be customized because we're going to work on this, fine-tune it more. And we add this to the cart. Congratulations, your budget is on its way. Here's my budget for Iron Man 3. Hey Jeff, thanks for budgeting your project. So here is my PDF version ready to go. And then here is my customizable, editable Excel version. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to open it in Google Sheets, which is free, by the way. You don't need to have Excel for this. And there it is with our production schedule in here, our weeks of shooting and wrapping and post, and we have our budget total of $186 million. The cast is getting $16 million of that, $16 million plus. The director's getting a good fee there, $2,325,000. Now we can tweak all this. Let's say the writers need to get paid differently. We're going to take some money from these two guys and move it up to the top here. So this guy's going to get $1 million. This number changes. So what I need to do is subtract 476,875 from elsewhere. And I'm going to take it out of these other guys. So they're each going to get now my number is a little different here. I'm coming in under budget. If I go all the way to the bottom, you can see that it's 185,807. 185,807. So I still have about 193,000 to play with. And, you know, I think we should pay the director that money. So I'm going to go over here to the director's fee. I'm just going to put it in right here. Plus 193,123. Boom. Oops. It's a formula, so this has to be an equal sign. Forgot about that. Good thing we looked at that. So now if I go back to the top, there it is, 186. Oh, I'm $500 over. Where am I going to take that 500 out? Clearance, they don't need that much, so let's change this number to equals. So all they do is go up in the formula, and I put equals, and then I put minus 500, and it adjusts it. And if I go back to the top, we're back on target. $186 million. Look at that. All right, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for joining us at filmbudgeteers.com, and happy filmmaking.